Hello guys, wish you all a happy monsoon. So in this monsoon, if you're free and if you want to do something like an activity, then you should visit our store because we have up to 50% off at our Banjara Hills branch. So today I'm showing you 10 variety of fabrics that we have covered in the sale. Also we have much more collection. So let's get started. So the first fabric we are looking at is this beautiful silk paitani fabric, and you can see the body has lovely zari embroidery, very minimal patterns throughout, and towards the edge you have a triple munia border, very unique style fabric with us. So if you want to convert it for a lehenga or a blouse, it's a perfect choice. And also you can go for a menswear sherwani, kurti or bandi because it has complete embroidery, and you can also use that border in the sleeves or towards the edges panel. And next up in Paitani, we are looking at our latest option, which is in this lovely pink color with a lot of munya detailing towards the border edge in contrast red color. Again, will work out really well for anarkalis, lehengas, blouses, and kids wear anarkalis or lehengas. And with this, you can go for a contrast blouse in green or red. Next up, we are looking at this beautiful hand painted, lovely kalamkari fabric, and this one is on a blue base. And you can see throughout it has a lot of lotuses, lot of flower detailing, and lot of leaves detailing completely in contrast colors and self tonal color too. So again, will work out really well for a blouse, anarkali, kurti, and you can also go for it as a sari and give a kanjivaram or embroidered lace to it. Next up in Kalamkari, we are looking at our next option, which is a unique option, offbeat option with stripes and a lot of humanative figures towards the edge. Again, will work out really well as a men's sherwani or a lehenga, and you can even do a blouse and use the stripes for your body, sleeves, and have the border towards the sleeve edging. Next up, we are looking at a different craft, which is Banarsi, and you can see this one is more like a contrast border detailing with a jal detailing throughout, and towards the edge you can see the Banarsi border is in contrast purple color with a lot of zari detailing and also with a little detailing of meenakari red color. So this one will work out really well for wedding and festive season for both adults and kids because it's a rich royal Banarsi fabric. Next up, we have something very minimal in Banarsi. So this one you can see has a traditional style flower motif throughout in gold and silver zari. Will work out really well for dupattas, saris, pagadis and even dhotis because it's a lightweight Banarsi fabric. It's very falling and very silky. So next up, we are looking at something offbeat, which is a tissue kanjivaram fabric with a lot of thread detailing throughout in multicolors. Will work out really well for men's sherwanis for weddings, and you can also do lehengas and blouses because it's a multicolored stuff. And if you want to do a blouse, let me tell you that you can use it as a contrast for various amount of saris. Next up, we are looking at this beautiful double ikat fabric in traditional paisley style motifs, along with a contrast border in blue kanjivaram, and you can see the colors are really standing out. So if you want to have something for your kids for lehenga, or if you want to do something for adults for lehenga, saris or dupattas and blouses, this one will work out really well. So next up in Banarsi, we have our next number, which is again a flowy Banarsi fabric, which has complete floral jal pattern detailing along with little meenakari detailing in pink color. This is a beautiful mustard color, will work out really well as a sari, dupatta and lehenga too. Because it's flowy, you can use it as a cord set for the upcoming festive season. Next up, we have this evergreen checks in Kanjivaram silk, and you can see this is a dual tone color and the color really stands out. So if you want to have a contrast bright color blouse for reds, pinks, black saris, then this one will really work out well, and you can also do it for kanduas and dhotis. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So these are not the only collections here, but also we have much more in store, and also we have fabric, saris, ready-mades, everything on sale. So this is the right time for you to grab a lot of collections for both West festive and wedding season. So we're waiting to see you here.